As day 5 kicked in and us being at the midpoint of our journey, Kanyakumari, it came in compliments with a good amount of fatigue.
The distance of 1243 kilometers soon wore us down and gradually reduced our vigor. But upon entering the NH44, it renewed our spirits again as we rode watching a beautiful sunset, lavish greenery, and faint windmills in the distance. A spectacular sight indeed.
What's up, folks?
Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are here in Kanyakumari. We reached here around 6:30 in the evening last evening, and we are not going to explore this place that much, considering that all three of us have, been here quite a couple of times. So today we will be heading to Trivandrum for an official visit, and then we will be heading to Kochi, stopping in Alleppey and a few other places which we find, you know,
Like Kovalam and Varkala, we would be covering these places as well, hopefully, if time permits, because the roads aren't that great and
the traffic is crazy.
the traffic
Considering
is
it's
crazy.
Christmas time. So
Yeah.
we've been told that it is quite a difficult journey from here upwards.
2 hours to Trivandrum, non-stop riding, and then another 5 or 6 hours
5 to 6 hours to Kochi.
to Kochi. That's without break. So again, it's gonna be a night ride, which I'm not looking forward to. Finally, I got my fog lights fixed though. That's a savior for me. It was all because of a switch which malfunctioned, and for 60 bucks, I visited 6 cities to get one switch and one mechanic who could just do it. So here as well in Kanyakumari, I actually went and Rutra and me actually went and to about 6 mechanics. The 7th one said yes, he could do it, and this is in the middle of the night, like about 8 or 9. Yeah. Luckily, the shops here are open till about 10, 9:30, 10, and I got my legs fixed.
We also tried going out for the sunrise, but it was pretty cloudy, so we couldn't see the sunrise. Oh, by the way, the route from from Rameshwaram to Kanyakumari is bloody amazing. You should take the East Coast Road from Rameshwaram to Thoothukudi, and from Thoothukudi onwards take the NH. You will be crossing NH44, which is the K2K highway, and it is simply mind blowing. You can just zoom through. The view is amazing.
Beautiful. You have windmill farms. You have mountains on one side, the Western Ghats, which actually looks pretty scenic. Yeah, and finally, after half the ride being completed, that's what's happening.
And we are down half a load of seed balls, which is approximately 2,000, and the remaining 2,000 we will be planting and distributing throughout Trivandrum and Kochi. We intend on planting the entire thing today. So as of now, that's it, and we will be heading to Kochi.
Now you know where all the good photos come from. Here, this man right here. This man right here. A bit me, but yeah, it's upside down. Rutra, where are we?
Kovalam Beach
In?
Kerala.
Yes.
Welcome to Kerala. Welcome to Kerala.
Kerala! Finally. How was the journey?
It was okay, very exhausting. So it took us nearly 2 hours to cross around 60 kilometers. Yeah, 2 hours for 60 kilometers.
69.
69 kilometers. Roads are okay, traffic is pathetic. Yeah, it's quite sunny. The beach.
Oh, there's jet skiing and stuff. Alright, let's go. The famous Kovalam beach. The last time I came here, this was all made of wood. It's now much more developed, and you get a lot of delicacies. There are lots of resorts beachside, which is really good. Oh, look at the coconuts. Fresh coconut water.
Have lunch.
Looks fresh. Back to Kovalam. You know, when I first came here, all these were there. This was under construction. We stayed here for one night. We stayed in this hotel, Hotel Seacock, for one night. Not here. There is one more if it still exists, which is Pappukutti. They have amazing food. Finally made it to the Trivandrum office. Oof, after a long this thing. I think the roads are really bad, but the last bit, which is from Kovalam to Trivandrum, highway is still under construction. I think in parts it's good, parts it's completely off because the main highway is closed. I've shown it to you in the video as well. Yeah. Looking forward to finishing off with this and then heading to Varkala. Bye. Dude, this is shady as hell, man, this road. Ooh, and look what it opens up to, the Rave Hostel. I mean the Lost Hostel. Opens up to the Lost Hostel. Guys, we are here in Varkala finally. And this is where we are at.
Tell them where this is. Varkala.
Yeah, that I said Varkala, but not near the beach. It's more at the cliff. Okay, so it's on the cliff and beach is downstairs. It's about 5-6 kilometers from here.